actually. It's not really even morning. It's like 10:30 in the forenoon. So I just picked up the camera. And we're inside right now because, why?
Because it's too hot outside.
Correct. We were outside in the garage a little bit this morning. And I did what I could. We're still working on it, folks.
But
it's a long, drawn out process. However, I just decided I would take you guys with us. We are probably gonna go get some of my favorite tacos for lunch. Behr tacos. It's like a taco truck here in Sarasota. I think that someone just told me the other day that Tuesdays they have them for $1. And you can easily eat 2 or 3 usually. So Nick is going to have an earlier day today, but he's gonna be working on some friends of ours from Holmes County. They bought a house down here and he's gonna be working on some things, I think, this afternoon. I don't know, maybe tearing out some carpet and stuff for him. So I'm probably just gonna go over there, see what's happening. I haven't like seen the house or anything yet. So we'll see.
okay, guys, did you know that we went here 3 times to Bible school?
No, you only went 2 times so far.
Yeah, 2 times so far. And we got 5 days over there.
Yep, you have 3 more left.
3 more left.
Jackson, what's your opinion?
I don't want to go.
Ah, you don't want to go. Are you going to stay at home tonight?
No.
Show them what you got last night.
Well, what we got is these little Jonah things.
Yeah, the story was about what?
Jonah.
And the whale?
And watch. This is how they work. And ah!
Yeah, that's supposed to be the whale, right?
Yeah.
And then you can, it's kind of like a game. You want to try and, what, get it in there?
Yeah.
And Nick and I are enjoying some evenings off. We haven't done anything. We just pretty much chilled here at home so far. So I don't know. I was thinking of maybe doing a little bit of shopping tonight or something. I don't know what he's going to be doing or what will happen after we're over at the house. So we'll see. There's a lot of people there, guys. Oh my. Oh my. I think it's about as warm as it has been. There's like 0 breeze out. Anyway, I'm cooling off in the car while we wait on the tacos. There's so many people here. Apparently there's lots of people who come on Tuesdays, but they're really good. Okay, finally got them.
You hungry?
Normally we get flour tortillas, but today the only ones that are 99 cents are the corn tortillas, which are fine too. They just do them a little different, but oh, so excited. Oh, and we pretty much always get pork or pastor. I don't know how to say it correctly, but yeah. Corn's kind of good for a change, but I think I like flour better. But definitely try out Behr tacos if you're in the area for sure. The other thing they have is these like watermelon and cantaloupe drinks. This has like, if it'll focus, this has actual like watermelon in it and some type of juice. It tastes very much like plain watermelon. And then they also have the cantaloupe, which I'm not as fond of because I don't really like cantaloupe, but Nick really likes it. So it's really refreshing. What you got?
Well, we got the meal toy.
Chick-fil-A, chicken,
nuggets.
yeah.
We got some fries.
The VBS are going to give them some freebies. They got some, each free, they got a free like kids meal and then a couple of other things. So I decided they don't really like tacos, so we had to come over here close to the area anyway. So I figured, hey, why not? Okay, so we just got over here to the house, and I think it's basically an investment property for them. So I don't know a lot of details, but Nick is just gonna help him out a little bit. He's gonna rip out some carpet once, and I think they're gonna be working on some stuff. So I don't know if I'll be, you know, showing it later or not, but I just figured I'd bring you guys along, and I'll show you guys around here just a little bit. It's like a pretty typical 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has a couple of like, it has an outdoor porch, like covered porch, lanai type of thing, some stuff like that. This is when you come in the front door, and I guess this is like the living room area. So that goes out to the porch area. Back in here, there's a bedroom, another bathroom here. I think there's only 2 bathrooms. 2 bedrooms to this side. There's like a little kitchenette type of thing. So I'm guessing they could use this door separately, you know, if someone would have, I don't know, did the people before use it like that? But you can connect, you know. So.
I did it. Okay.
And then here is the kitchen. It's kind of like a walkway, galley style kitchen.
Yeah. The staple on the edge, the wood strips. Yeah. You step on there, you will.
And I don't know, I guess this could be used as dining room, but it looks like they use it as a sitting room, I guess. So swivel around, that goes to the front door. And then bringing you over here is the master suite. Looks like some of the furniture was left in here. And I'm not sure what this is. This looks like an addition of some sort. But, so I don't know. This goes to the outside, I guess, back to the porch area. I didn't show you guys that. And then back in the back, there's another bathroom, and this connects to the garage. So it's a tiled shower. That's actually not bad. I don't think they're going to do anything to the tile parts of the floors. I think they just want to do the carpet. So that's pretty much the extent. There's also a laundry room here that connects out to the garage. They always want to help. eager helpers for sure.
Yep, I like helping people.
Except when I get you to pick up your toys.
Yep, that's not helping.
That's helping, you know?
Yeah, I know, but I just like tearing up houses. My dad said, if this was our house, he would love it.
Yeah, we would love to have an investment property, wouldn't we? Yeah. There you go. Okay, careful, don't hit the walls.
Then are you gonna open the door? It's already.
I can open the door, or is it open? Okay, back in. Come. Where are you going? Careful. Careful. Whoa! Watch out, Caden. Don't push Jax or he'll fall down. There we go. Okay. Go put it on top of the others. Whoa. Uh-oh. Now it unraveled a little bit. Okay, boys, why don't we head home?
Well, Dad's not.
Okay, I know. Dad's gonna keep working a little bit. Okay, we've been home for a little while now. Nick is not home yet, but I told him I would have dinner ready by 5. And I actually had done the potatoes this morning already, and the chicken has been marinating since yesterday, so I did not have to do anything tonight. They are called something like scallop potatoes or cheesy potatoes. They have like different names to them, but there's definitely a variety. basically you use hash brown potatoes and you make a cheese sauce, and I put some cream of chicken sauce in it, or like cream of chicken soup in it, and some seasonings, and then you just mix it all together and bake it. I put a little bit of ham in it. I had some left over. What's that? And so it's just like a really good cheesy potato. So there's definitely some different varieties, but basically you just want to make a white sauce and then add some Velveeta cheese. That's pretty much the key ingredient used. Like, I mean, it doesn't have to be a Velveeta, but you know, the off-brand version of Velveeta. And then I just added some, yeah, cream of chicken. Sometimes I would add sour cream. There's different ways of doing it, but that's the general idea. If you want an actual recipe, you could maybe email me, or maybe I'll try and do it later or something, but it's really not hard and it's super yummy. Okay, and then a really easy way to do chicken is just marinate it in Italian dressing. These are boneless, skinless thighs, and then I just grilled it. Jax, you sure you're not gonna go to Bible school with us? No. Why are you talking like that?
Oh, he wants me to stay here.
No. Okay, Jax, I guess we'll go then if you don't want to go. Okay, see ya.
Bye, Mom.
He is? Well, I'm sorry. I guess he can't make up his mind. Jax, what's wrong? You miss Caden if he goes. Oh, bud. Either you go talk to Dad or you come along, okay?
We come along? I'm sure you saw Jackson back there. He's crying because he didn't want to go, but I don't know why. But
he's crying because Caden's leaving, but he doesn't want to go. He went the last 2 nights, and he claimed that last night he cried a little bit because, I don't know, was it just too long or something? And now tonight, we gave him the option. We're like, hey, if you don't want to go, you don't have to go. You can just stay home. It's not a big deal. And so he wanted to stay home, but he is very much attached to Caden, so this is going to be rough. I have a feeling this might be a little foretaste of how school will be, at least to begin with. He'll be going to preschool this fall, just for like a couple hours in the morning every day. And Caden's gonna go all day every day. So I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to figure out Jackson. He's really shy if he doesn't know people. Like the first night, it took a little bit for him to get over the hump of, you know, not being scared or whatever. But he's not really shy once he knows you. I mean, he's the most rowdy kid at home you ever saw. So it's definitely, I don't know. I haven't quite figured him out yet. Or trying, I guess. I'm not used to it. So, well,
if you know what the shirt says, whatever it says,
it's just your BBS shirt.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna drop him off, and then I might run to Target. So I ran into Target. I wanted to get some blackout curtains for the boys. I'm actually thinking of getting something more light blocking for our bedroom possibly, but I haven't made the jump yet. But I don't know. They need something that's darker in the morning, and I just think it'll help us with our energy and everything. So, I did that, got some. I'm not sure I'm gonna love them, but I'm gonna try them once. I can always return them if I don't want them. But I decided on a whim to stop at Chick-fil-A and get a peach milkshake, so. I had to think of the Tasty videos you see on Pinterest or wherever. You know that company, it's called Tasty. And the guy at the end, they don't say anything, it just looks delicious. All the food they make always looks delicious. Then at the end, there's this guy that says, oh yes. That's how I feel about this milkshake. I can't even imitate him properly, but I had to think of that when I got my first sip. Oh yes. What's the matter? Can I have a hug?
So, I got this noodle necklace. How do you like it, guys?
Guys, can you say goodnight?
Good night.
What else? Subscribe. So, did he wish he would have gone?
What?
Did Jackson wish he would have gone then, you think?
Didn't want to admit it. He's
Yeah.
going tomorrow night.
Oh, yeah.
He's going tomorrow.
Because I don't think he had a lot of fun here at home.
Is that fun?
No. Thank you all for tagging along today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.